Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Seeking of knowledge is the duty of every Muslim. Today we have discussed by different teachers the idea of triangle in this workshop, and different kinds of teachers have been debated different ideas on this thing that is triangle. As you know that one is our great teacher discussed that triangle is about geometry is a tiniest part of mathematics, and mathematics is the easiest form of logic, and logic is the easiest form of philosophy. So I would like to discuss the broad sense of triangle. There are two kinds of triangle in this world of sciences. The first one is the tiniest and the easiest and the narrow sense of these things, which is discussed by different kinds of teachers, especially by mathematicians. This is called the narrow sense of triangle, but I have elaborated, and I would like to express and to interpret some of the decisions in a broad sense of this triangle in the future. Last year in last lecture, I have discussed this topic in a very broad sense. As I have told already, that mathematics is the easiest form of logic, and logic is the easiest form of philosophy. Therefore, mathematics is the easiest form of philosophy. These are the things were in narrow sense, but the broad sense is here. Please pay attention to me. A then B, B then C, therefore A then C. To these premises, logic introduced these things in terminology form. This is called syllogism. This is called syllogism. A question arises here. What is syllogism? Which has two premises and one conclusion. So these are called premises. The above two are called premises. I have told you already A then B, B then C, therefore A then C. A and C. This is called conclusion. This is called conclusion
based on premises.
For example, Nader Khan is the student of Dr. Khurshid Anwar, who remained a student of philosophy. Dr. Khurshid Anwar is the student of Dr. Salim. So Nader Khan is the student of Asian scholar Khurshid Anwar. Asian scholar Khurshid Anwar is the student of Dr. Salim. Therefore, Nader Khan is the student of Dr. Salim. Dr. Salim. This is called deduction. This is called deduction. And the creation of deduction, that is called Aristotle. डिडक्शन का बानी जो है वो अरिस्टोटल गुजरा है, who remained a great teacher, student of Plato, and Plato also remained the student of Socrates. इसमें एक दूसरा मिसाल भी मैं आपको दे दूंगा. Aristotle is the student of Plato. This is called premises and major premises. Plato is the student of Socrates. This is called premises and minor premises. Therefore, Aristotle is the student of Socrates. This is called syllogism. Whatever you can say, from the above side or from the bottom side, you can use and make different kinds of premises and sentences. So the thing which I have discussed, this is broad sense of triangle. And the before lecture, that was the narrow sense of triangle. I think it is enough for today. Thank you so much, Sonia.